Hey guys, welcome back to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching JavaScript series for beginners. So in this video we're going to see about comparison operators in JavaScript. Well, what is comparison operators? Well, comparison operators can be used to compare two values or variables and find out whether they, satisfy the conditions, and returns the value as Boolean values, either true or false. Let's actually create a second number in here so that I can use some comparison operators to compare them. So alert number, let's first use less than operator in here to check if, sorry, I don't have to use that 20 in here, so I can directly use the variable. Let's actually refresh and see. Yeah, true. 10 is less than 20. So what happens if I change it to 30? Will I still get the same value? Nope. I'm getting false. Now that's perfect. What happens if I use greater than symbol? So this is another comparison operator. So let's refresh it. You should get true because 30 is greater than 20. Now what happens if I put 20 in here? They're equal but not greater. So I should get false as the answer. Now what happens if I want to check if a number is greater than, or it can also be equal to the same value? Now for that you have greater than or equal to. Now when I refresh it, it's going to give you true. Now this also applies for less than equal to, so you can also use this. This should still give me true because both the values are equal. Now if my value is 10, it should still give me the value true. See that? Now the next thing is going to be equal to equal to. Equal to checks for both the values to be true. Sorry, equal. Now when I refresh it, you get false because 10 is not equal to 20. So when I have 20 in here, and when I refresh the page, you can see that I'm getting the true value. So this is how the comparison operators works. So I have covered greater, lesser, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and equal to. There's one more thing called as not equal to. So I want to check if both my numbers or else both my values are equal or not equal. So is it equal? Yes, it is equal, so I should get false as the value in here. So I change anything in here. So I change it to 22 and then refresh it. I should get true. Even if I change it to some fed something and refresh it, it shall give me true because it's not same, it's different. Now what happens if I give 20 as both the values are true, or sorry, both the values are equal? It is giving me false, but I want to make sure that when I use 20 like this, whether it's going to give me false or true. Let's see, it's giving me false. Oh my, how to how to handle this? Because this is a string and this is a number. I want to check whether it's string or number as well. Now this is where the exactly not equal to comes in. Now when you use another equal to and refresh the page, you can see that it is not equal and you're getting true as the value. Now this applies for equal to as well. You can check for exactly equal. Now when I run this, you should get false as the answer. Yes, you're getting false. Now the difference between the normal equal to is that it will not check whether that is of the data type of same data types. It is string, then this should also be a string if you're having triple equal to, that is exactly equal to. So if you don't want to check for the data type and just want to check for the value, the equal to will be your best bet. But if you want to also check for exact data type, then you have to use triple equal to. Not equal to will make sure that this will check beyond the data types. Like for example, if I use not equal to and do this, let's show you what is the difference. It will getting false. Now if I use not equal to, even if it is true, the reason is that it just checks beyond the limitations of your data type. So it is not equal, okay, because this is of different data type and this is of different data type. So it is considering it as a different one, and this is different, so they are not equal, so it is returning true for you. So if it is confusing, try to actually do it all by yourself in your own program. Try to understand it, because these are comparison operators which we'll be using in the conditional statements, like if statement, if else statements, which is going to be the next video, I believe. Well, let's see in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like the video and also share the video with your friends or anyone you think will be benefited by this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments, issues or feedbacks or suggestions, then please leave them in the comment section, or you can contact me through the Facebook page, Google Plus page, or Twitter feed. You can find the links for them in the description section. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video. Please watch the series.